Good afternoon. This is Teresa. I just wanted to get on here to let y'all know that I'm still here. I just um, haven't had time to make a video. Um, I have been doing quite a bit of cleaning and preparing for our church activities coming up. I will, as soon as I can, I will get more videos out. But this past week, I have maintained my weight. I haven't lost anything. I haven't really gained anything. But and I haven't really had any ideas yet for new recipes, but I am thinking about those. And then Fly Lady, I will continue with that as soon as I can get back to doing videos. Until next time, I will see you then. Bye.